Wanna know how to change the password of your Skype account? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. Today, I'll be using Chrome. You can use a suitable browser of your choice. So first of all, tap on it. Tap on the search or type web address. Insert here skype.com. This will take you to the very first section of the Skype. Just wait for it. You can see that I am already logged in. Make sure you also logged in. Now for a better resolution, keep it into a desktop side by tapping on the three-dotted straight line on the top right corner. Tap on desktop side below add to home screen. Just by doing it, you are already onto your desktop side. So to change your password, all you have to do is now zoom in, tap on your profile icon on the top right corner, tap on my account on the top. Onto the left section, you can see you have a various option. Zoom in, below edit profile, tap on change password option. First of all, you need to verify your identity. To verify, tap on this text to your particular number on the bottom. You'll get a code. So wait for the code and then enter it into this particular section. So I have got my code and I'm going to enter it. You can also do the same. When you're done, tap on verify on the bottom right. So you have an option of entering your current password. Tap on your current password and then enter your current password. Tap a new password below and keep your very new password. Tap and re-enter your very new password. Make sure to make it stronger, that is 8 characters minimum. I have already done it. You can also do the same and then re-enter it once again. So if you want to make yourself change your password every 72 days, you can tap on this blank section next to it. I really want to do it so that I can make my password more secure and more stronger. Tap on save when you're done with all of this. So you can see that you have successfully changed your password and it is allowing you to access your very new password to verify it. You can keep your very new password and get logged in all over again to your Skype account. I'm going to do this. You can also do the same. Tap and shine in on the bottom right. So this is it. You're onto your Skype account. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.